Greetings!
This is Berenice.
Hi, I'm Berenice.
And I'm Holly, and we were talking about our dreams.
Yes, we were.
I was just telling her about my dream, so it's her turn to tell you about her dream.
Well, my sister was in my dream, and she was threatening me, saying that I owed her money. And then her gay friend, who I'd never met before, who had rotten teeth, started talking about his life, and then I started running from them. I went to our backyard and climbed on top of the garage, and she's like, "You get your ass back down here." I was afraid of her. That's all I can really remember from what I dreamt. I think it was about me trying to cover up the fear of my little sister beating me up. What do you think?
Well, I don't know. I don't understand why she's so controlling over you. You're older than her. Was she the lesbian?
No. She's my younger. She's the one with the red hair and the nose ring, and she beats girls up. And then
She beats girls up?
yeah, she does.
Hi.